Living your best life, unpacking the meaning. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language and its fascinating phrases. Today, we're exploring a very popular expression, living my best life. It's a phrase you've probably seen on social media, heard in conversations, or even used yourself. But what does it really mean? And how can you use it in your daily English conversations? Let's find out together. The phrase, living my best life, is an idiomatic expression used to convey a sense of happiness, fulfillment, and contentment in one's current life situation. It suggests that the person is making the most out of their life, enjoying the present moment, and not letting worries or negative situations hold them back. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from achieving personal goals, enjoying leisure activities, to finding peace in life's simple pleasures. Although it's challenging to pinpoint the exact origin of the phrase, living my best life, its popularity skyrocketed in recent years, thanks in part to social media and possibly influential public figures or celebrities using it to describe their lifestyle. It embodies a positive outlook on life, encouraging individuals to focus on the joy and satisfaction in their current circumstances rather than dwelling on what they lack or the difficulties they face. In positive contexts, you can use living my best life when sharing moments of joy, success, or personal achievement. For example, if you're on vacation, enjoying a hobby, or have reached a personal milestone, saying you're living your best life captures the essence of your contentment and pride. In reflective moments, this phrase can also be reflective, used when acknowledging how you've overcome challenges or grown as a person. It signifies recognition of your progress and the positive state you're in, emphasizing a journey towards fulfillment and happiness. Living my best life is more than just a trendy phrase. It's a statement of joy, contentment, and fulfillment in one's life journey. It encourages us to appreciate the present, celebrate our achievements, and maintain a positive outlook on life. We hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, living my best life, in your English conversations and perhaps inspires you to reflect on what living your best life means to you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every day is an opportunity to live your best life.